What's up, everybody? It's your boy Handy Andy, and we got an unboxing video today of the Roku Premiere. This is the creme de la creme of Rokus. It's really geared to anybody that has a 4K HDR television. If that's you, this is what you want to get the best picture. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Well, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Come on, help a brother out. Once again, this is the unboxing video for the Roku Premiere, the 2019 version. So I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. And let's see what is inside. And that is what it looks like. Everything you need is right here. Here is the actual Roku unit. Very simple, HDMI, micro USB. You can go directly into the TV's USB port. And then I actually would tape this on the back and then run your cords, which are right here. So you got your HDMI, your micro USB, and they actually give you, because this is the Premiere Edition, they even give you a plug so you can hook the HDMI directly to a power bar or whatever's behind your television. So that, my friends, is the Roku Premiere. This is the unboxing video for the Roku Premiere. Take this out. If you have a 4K television, HDR TV, if you know for sure you have that, this is the Roku you're going to want to get, because you're going to get that 4K and HDR streaming directly to your television. What a time to be alive. You don't need cable. You can get 4K in the comfort of your living room. Once again, this was the Roku Premiere unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're, of course, going to set this up. I just got to find myself a 4K TV because I have a projector, and it's definitely not a 4K projector. So I'll see you again next time. This is Handy Andy signing out. Peace.